Hey YouTube, Sean. We're working on Project White Fright again today, and I want to show you the progress we've done so far. Got all the door panels put back in, and instead of using those little plastic clippies, we just used some upholstery screws. Yep, and locks and unlocks perfectly. Alright. And we've still got to tuck all the wiring back there. I'm not done there yet. We got it starting really good with the ignition now. Fires right up. Unfortunately today when I was wrestling around up here in the windshield, I ripped the mirror off, but it was about ready to come off anyway, so it's a good thing we did. Another thing is I pulled the, no, it's dark in here. I pulled the keyless entry board out and cleaned it real well. It hasn't been put back because I'm going to insulate this because it goes up against that metal and I don't like it. So I'm fixing that. But it didn't have that when we got it. We put keyless entry in here. Yep, but we got all the door panels going. All installed. We got that broken window fixed right up. Let me go around there and show you. Get that broken window fixed up. We got to get the armrest put back in there and some of the tape scrapes off for when we had it taped up. Apparently I locked it. Can you unlock it? I hit the button a few times in there showing you, and I left it in the lock position. There we go. Alright, but yeah, we just got to put the armrest back in, and I got to get the screws back in here in the panel. But that window fully replaced. It was only 30 bucks at the wrecking yard. We fixed that. We got our Jeep steering wheel cover to take it off when we're all done. Let me see, what else have we done? Oh yeah, we got to show you the driver's seat. It's the only one I could find. We're going to put seat covers on it anyway, but that driver's seat is now been replaced, and it's solid. It ain't going nowhere. What else did we do? Oh man, we've been doing a lot on this one. We've been out here working on it when we can. Got all the door panels fully installed, except for that one corner on the back. What else did we do back here? The hatch. We just got done putting the cover back on, and we took apart the brake light. Took the glass bulbs out, the third brake light in the window. We'll put LEDs, and the rear wiper wasn't working. I think the motor's all right, but what went out, excuse me there guys, got to reach the control box, went out. But you can't buy this without buying that. So, I mean, I guess you can, but these are 50 bucks new. We went to the wrecking yard and got one used, and it works perfect. So, and then we fixed the washer. Wasn't working either. It's all plugged up. We sealed up around the wiper blade seal. Show them that it worked, bud. Yeah, we got the rear wiper working, and the washer works. All right, hit the brake pedal now too. Here's the strobe. Not bad, eh? Do it again. There you go. She runs really good. Just got the 4 liter of high output. got some dings and scratches, but that's alright. And all the windows work great. So we're real happy about our progress so far. Even come with the old Pioneer in there. I guess it works. Can't show you because YouTube will kick me. But anywho, I did went on the way home test the four-wheel drive, and it does work great. Shifts in and out perfectly. Tilt wheel works. Alright, so we're gaining. So I'm gonna have to get some windshield adhesive there and put that back together. Probably have to wait till the weather to warm up a little bit. But she runs good. She idles really smooth. You can hardly see the tack move. Your idle is perfect. So really pleased so far with our progress. All right, go ahead and shut that door, bud. I still have to take those lights off. We're gonna relocation all that, but we did install the keyless entry. It did not have it when we got it. I put that in. And it works. Works perfect. So that's our progress on Project White Fright. It's coming right along. We're gonna make it a daily driver for my wife to drive around and clean it up, fix it up as we go. You betcha. We're gonna get these lights off here, and I'm sure they're still fine. Roy, he didn't do a very good job of putting them on there. He didn't do a good job of wiring them either. That's why they burnt the wiring loom up. But we'll get those off there before we go too far, and we'll fix it. We will fix everything wrong. Hey, you know what? My pocket knife has been missing for a week now, guys. Literally, I'm not even joking. I've been talking about it every day. I found my Kershaw. Hey, bud, I found my Kershaw.
No way.
I did, just now on top of the roof. Thank you, YouTube. If I hadn't come out and made a video, that would have sat out in the rain. Perfect. And it's already starting to rust just a little right there. Right on, got my knife back. Alright, that's the progress so far though. It's looking really positive. I'm going to leave those mounts up on the front, and I'm going to straighten this one out. And I think I'm going to use those to mount a brush guard or something on the front of this. Just an idea. Or a good winch bumper or something. But this one has AC. It'll be a lot better for in summer. But we're fixing on it. Take care, guys. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.